little ones. You're safe here.
Here you go, little one. It's alright. Take what you need. That's it. Good girl. Your turn. They're beautiful, all of you.
It's all yours, little ones. Plenty for everyone. Winter's tough, huh? Stay warm. I'll bring more next time.
Hey there, beautiful. I got something for you. See, that's it. Here, you can share with the little ones.
They're coming in closer.
Yeah, they know it's good stuff. Everyone gets some. Take your time.
Here you go, little one. It's just chicken and a few berries, nothing scary. That's it. Take your time. You're braver than you look. Everyone's welcome. There's plenty. What a beautiful family.
Hey there, girl. Got you something. Here you go. See, that's it. Take it to the little ones. There's more. Look, apple. Sweet, huh? And some bread for your mate. You all eat up. I'll just sit right here. You're beautiful, you know that?